We're with John Kelly. John is a personal injury attorney in Phoenix, Arizona, and he's agreed to answer some online questions. This actual online question was related to a pedestrian accident. Question was from Barbara. Barbara says, I was injured in a pedestrian accident. I need an attorney, but I don't know the right question to ask. I had a case a few years ago, and the attorney I hired really had no experience in the type of claim that I had. How should I go about finding the right attorney for my case?
Well, it's important to find an attorney that has experience with the type of claim you have, but it's also important to find an attorney that generally has the right tools in place to pursue a claim, such as a pedestrian accident. There are some unique factors that go into pedestrian accidents that can kind of make or break a case. And you might want to ask your attorney, have you pursued these types of claims, but what things do you do to make sure that you're shoring up the evidence and working them up to make sure that they're successful. In my firm, what I do is I make sure that we're hiring an investigator to go look if there's any kind of surveillance video. We're getting witness statements. We're talking to anyone that we can that may have anything to do with the claim, but also pursuing the person that caused the accident and finding out, were they on the job? Were they just driving by themselves and have an insurance policy to go after? So there's different avenues that you can pursue in these kind of claims. It's a good idea for anyone who's searching out an attorney generally to just ask them some questions about their practice. What kind of practice do you have? How many cases do you have? What kind of claims do you like pursuing? How successful are you in these kind of claims? And then get a general feel from a couple of attorneys who you think has that experience to take it and really run with it and make sure that they're aggressive to pursue the claim.
All right, excellent. Well, if you have any additional questions for John, just post them in the comments section below. Thanks for your answer, John.
Thank you, Ryan. And you can reach out to me for a free consultation. My office is the Kelly Law Team, and it's at 602-283-4122.
Thanks, John.